The night sky seems so simple, a dark canvas sprinkled with tiny, distant lights. We look up and see stars, planets, maybe the faint glow of our own Milky Way galaxy. But this view is just a tiny fraction of the story. The universe is not empty space between these points of light. It is a bustling, dynamic, and largely invisible place. It's filled with forces and structures that we are only just beginning to perceive. Think of it as a great dark room where shapes begin to emerge from the blackness. For decades, astronomers have been mapping our local cosmic neighborhood. We thought we had a reasonably good picture, but a recent discovery has completely upended that picture. Astronomers were looking at two well-known structures, the North Polar Spur and the Fan region. By creating a new three-dimensional model, they found that these enormous structures appear to be connected. They are the walls of something much bigger. The evidence points to a stunning conclusion. These structures form the edges of a vast tunnel. A tunnel made of charged particles and powerful magnetic fields. And our solar system appears to be located right inside it. For all of human history, as we have looked out at the stars, we have been looking from within this cosmic tube without ever realizing it. These cosmic tunnels are not made of solid matter, but of magnetic fields and charged particles. They are gigantic, magnetized ropes woven into the fabric of our galaxy. They are the remnants of spectacular violent events that happened millions of years ago. A series of powerful supernova explosions blasted huge bubbles into space. These structures are about 1,000 light-years long. To put that in perspective, the nearest star to our sun is only 4 light-years away. This tunnel is immense. The magnetic fields act like railings, guiding the flow of cosmic rays. We are inside one of these cosmic currents, like a tiny boat carried by an invisible ocean current. How do we find something so enormous yet so ethereal? We can't just point a telescope and photograph it. This requires cosmic detective work using light invisible to our eyes. Our eyes see only a narrow sliver of light, but the universe communicates in many wavelengths, from radio waves to X-rays. Giant radio telescopes listen for faint whispers from space. X-ray observatories can detect incredibly hot gas heated by ancient supernovae to millions of degrees. By combining X-ray and radio data, astronomers could see the connection. The breakthrough came from data modeling. They created a three-dimensional map, allowing them to fly around these structures virtually. The separate pieces click together like puzzle pieces. This discovery completely redraws the map of our local corner of the Milky Way. Space around us is not random at all, but shaped by these massive magnetic superstructures. These tunnels act like cosmic funnels, channeling gas into dense filaments where new stars ignite. We're seeing the plumbing system that creates stellar nurseries. Scientists will use next-generation telescopes to map these structures with unprecedented precision, creating a complete weather map of our cosmic environment. This knowledge will help us see the faint afterglow of the Big Bang more clearly, giving us a better view of the baby universe by understanding the screen we're looking through. We may find that the Milky Way is threaded with a whole network of these structures, a true cosmic web that forms the skeleton of our galaxy. We are not just on a planet, in a solar system, in a galaxy. We are travelers within a vast cosmic corridor, shaped by the ghosts of long-dead stars. This discovery reminds us that our perspective is limited, and that the universe is always more complex and wonderful than we imagine. The next time you look up at the night sky, imagine the great, invisible rivers of magnetism, the vast tunnels carrying echoes of exploded stars. What other colossal secrets does the universe have hiding in plain sight?